I am Manjusree. My full name is Manjusree Mitra. I am from Bangladesh. We came here with a team of education of NET's Partnership for Development and Justice. We have four team members and we received the training named Advanced Training on Leadership and Teaching Learning Strategies Development. So we really enjoyed the training with the ACT, Asian College of Teachers, and it was really 5 days training here, and starting with 28th of November, and we will complete it 2nd December. So it was really wonderful for us to be here, and we enjoyed it very much. The institute is very friendly and also very much caring of us. So we feel homely environment here for the training, receiving the training course. And we think that the content and the trainers very much cooperative and also friendly with us, and they tried as much as to satisfy our questions. And so we hope they will come back again for the receiving the long-term training, as well as we will participate in the distance learning training. Thank you so much for arranging us such type of training. We hope for the improvement of the future of this Asian teachers college. Thank you so much.